All right. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon. What up, what up, what up, what up? Let's get liking up the stream. Liking up the stream, and then we'll get started. What up, everyone? Good afternoon, good afternoon, good morning as well. Good morning. Wow, everyone's banking in Discord. Nice. Everyone took lipo. Wow. Who took lipo? This thing's insane. It hit 119. So look, 119 was this level here. We look left, here, resistance. Then next one, 130. So we'll see what this one does do today. Looks very good. Looks good, looks good, looks good. Now, look, very simple. Everyone asks now, what do you do? Where'd you enter? Where'd you enter? Where'd you enter, right? Very simple, guys. You know what stocks do even before you even traded, right? You know that stocks go up and what? Down. So all you need to do is wait for it to come down. You're buying at the highest point of the day. You are chasing, you are FOMOing. Stop doing it. Use the 1 minute chart if you want to. Simply just draw the downtrend. You can use this. Draw a downtrend like that. And then all you need to do is wait for a candle closure above. But trying to enter now is not a good idea. Right now it's coming down, right? You need this to find area support and then hopefully break the downtrend. That is where you look for your entries. Don't try and buy, right? Don't try and buy when the stock is at the highest point of the day, because you normally what happen is it'll come down and then you'll be red, right? So just think about it logically. Step back, chill, and all you need to do is just wait for the downtrend break, right? Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, guys. Let me go through YouTube, post some tickers, questions, general questions, anything about stocks, the Discord, Twitter, yeah, anything. Feel free to ask and then I'll get back to you guys. Let me go through the requests on Twitter and then I'll get back to you guys, right? Right, LIDR. So LIDR is down 8% this morning, right? And we can see that what's happening is we are in a steady downtrend. Everyone knows when a stock is in a steady downtrend, there is no reason to buy. If you're trying to buy, wait for the downtrend break above. LIDR needs downtrend break. Can you guys all hear me all right? Let me know, let me know, let me know. So someone's removed that post. So LIDR, yeah, just needs downtrend break on LIDR. Otherwise nothing, just chill out on it. Lipo, I gave the levels. Thanks a lot, yeah, man. No worries, Johnson, bro. NLSP, let me have a look. Has it changed a bit? NLSP, so we're on the 5 minute chart now. So now what we have is, right, we can say we have a downtrend like this. So I don't like drawing a downtrend like this because it's not that clean. So what I'll do is I'll just wait for a resistance level, which is around 0.33220. So if we can break above that, then you can look for your entry. So NLSP is wait for break above 0.3220. All right. So otherwise nothing, just chill, just chill, just chill. Okay, cool. Everyone can hear. Yo, yo, yo. What up, guys? Yeah, you can ask anything about the tickers, Discord, Twitter, general questions, anything, trading, how I started trading, all those things. Let me know. Let me know, let me know, let me know. So I don't seem like a robot just doing charts all the time, you know? I am a normal person. ALLR, let me have a look at this. Right now it's making high highs, high lows, which is bullish, but you are down 7% this morning. I do like this stock, but I don't know anything about the fundamentals in terms of the news and all that. Maybe resistance is around here right now. We have this level. Let's just put 0.25. Yeah, like that 0.25 is your resistance, but let's just put it here like this. It'll be fine. 0.23. So ALLR, steady trend. Steady trend needs what? Needs 0.2430. So nothing on this yet, but it is looking good. It's looking good. VCNX. So VCNX has very low volume. I can tell by the 4-hour time frame. Let's go to the daily. Well, I know it's up 8% or 9% pre-market, so maybe we just keep it up like this. For this, I personally wouldn't be entering this. I don't really like a play like this because of the low volume. So you can just simply just make it easy for yourself, as I always try and do it, is just identify where it is Or what is the stock doing, right? Is it going uptrend, downtrend, or is it ranging? This one's clear to see that it's ranging, so we need 822 break. So VCNX currently ranging. Right, you need to break above that resistance to look for any kind of entry. Any kind of entry, complete jump. Yeah, I know it is. INM, I did a... Do you guys like these reviews that I'm doing? These weekly trade reviews? Let me know what you think. I know a lot of people are liking it and stuff. Need 0.3. I think it's easier for people to see as well when I can explain it rather than just showing a chart so they can see what I'm talking about. They can see what I'm talking about. NU. I don't know if anyone's in LGVN still from the Discord that I gave, but I'm not in it. Sadly, I sold before 8 AM, but yeah, it is what it is. Currently bearish. NUWE is bearish. LGVN, what's happening this? Yeah, LGVN is looking good. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good. It's cooking. It's cooking. It's cooking. I think VWAP might be in the way though, so just be cautious of that. All right. Let me just check which other top gainers are on. See if we can update a couple plays. Nothing's really changed in the pre-market order at the moment. All right, what up? Hi guys, what car did you buy? I didn't get anything yet. Still just having a look. There's a lot of the 2025 models are coming out, so I'm kind of just waiting around right now, but not in any rush. Just had a look, see what's on the market. I do like the X4 competition though. It's nice. Not really a fan of the Range Rover, and that's a little bit too big. Yeah, so we'll see what I get. I'll let you guys know. BMR is here. So look, BMR right now, there's nothing to do on this, right? Because it's just ranging. You don't know what's happening. But we know, see how 596, it's right there. Just move it to $6 so you get that psychological level. So it breaks above the psychological level, then look for your entries above $6. That's what I would personally do. So BMR, wait for $6. Wait for $6 break. Yeah, so it needs $6 break. Otherwise, it doesn't break above that, then no reason to enter because it keeps rejecting at the moment, you know? All right. Wait, let me charge my laptop. Good morning, TIVC. TIVC, this ran last week, I think. So same with TIVC, right? At the moment, we don't know what's going on. Look, we clean this whole chart up, okay? We don't know current price action right now on the 5 minute. We don't know what's going on, okay? So yeah, maybe we can indicate area support here, right? But that means nothing. We're looking for an entry, right? So if we're looking for an entry, we need to look for a high probability setup. So thinking about it logically, if you don't even know how to trade, right? It's very simple. If the stock breaks and closes above what? Resistance, you know there's a higher probability the stock will continue to go up. So for TIVC, you need to what? Wait for TIVC, wait for 0.6858 break. Right, to enter. So otherwise just leave it now. Yes, maybe it's reversing, but we don't know. There's no confirmation, so we have to wait, sadly. As much as we want to get in before everyone else. BMR, CGTX. CGTX, not interested in this. I took a loss on this morning. Sadly, I got in over here and it halted obviously due to the news. But yeah, nothing on this. There's nothing really. I would avoid it personally. Yeah, it might run up, but in my opinion, I would just avoid it. You work with RSI 5? No, I don't use RSI, MACD, none of that stuff. I literally just use VWAP, that's it. And price action. All good, mate. All good. Cool. Will LiPo get to 1.3? Nexus Production Group has asked me if LiPo is going to get to 130. I have no idea, right? No one can tell you what price the stock will go to. I'll just be honest with you, right? So if you're going to ask people what price the stock will go to, if you think, right? Let's think about it very logically, as I always say. Is it going to get to 130? Probably, right? Why? Up 211%, it's literally right there. It's the only stock that's running. There is a high probability it will get there. Yes, it should get to 130. It's literally 2 more percent. So yes, there is a high probability it will get there. But is it guaranteed? No, nothing's guaranteed, right? But yes, I do expect it to get to 130. It's literally like 6 cents away. You know? MIRA, nothing on this. It's in a bullish pennant, so price action should break up. It will only respect as technicals if it does get volume. So that's what we should expect to happen. But you know how the market is, unpredictable. BMR and LGVM, we're waiting for breaks. BMR. Yeah, BMR, just wait for this, because if it breaks 6, you should be fine. LGVN's right here. I think this is VWAP around here. Yeah, it's rejecting VWAP at the moment. So for it to continue, it needs to break above VWAP. At the moment, it's just rejecting. Rejecting. Info on the Discord, think about coming on. I mean, the Discord, it's very simple to understand how it works. We do live trading every single day, pretty much like this, but we do give you the entry stop loss targets every single day, myself and Hassi together. I do the first hour live trading, then Hassi does pretty much like 2 hours after me. And then we do the live seminars are all on there, how we trade. We've started a series now for beginners on basically how we trade and setups and focusing on what we teach. Risk management plan, journals, swing trades, it's all a whole bunch in there. So the difference between Twitter, because people always ask it, is Twitter, I just share charts. It doesn't mean I'm in it. It doesn't mean it's going to go up, right? I expect the charts that I post on Twitter to go up, right? I'm not going to give you guys plays that are going to go down. It doesn't benefit anyone, because the main reason why I do it on Twitter is just to show you guys, you can understand how technical analysis works, right? Pretty much the same charts I share look very similar. So that's how you can understand and learn how bullish charts look. From there, you can identify the patterns and so on. That's all in the Discord. And when we enter a trade, we are mentioning this in the Discord with entry, stop loss, and targets. We do not give the trade on Twitter because it can get manipulated. Funnily enough, I only have, 20,000 followers, but there are a few people that will go against the trade and try and short it, all right? So that's why I don't post anything on Twitter when I get in trade. If you want to get in the trades, you can simply just join the Discord. So yeah, $90 might seem a lot to people, or $230 for 3 months, but you get both myself and Hassi. You have full transparency, everything, every trade there, wins, losses, it's all there. And then also, just in terms of our trades, we have the reasonings and everything there, so everyone can see and learn why we got in the trades, trade breakdowns, so all of that stuff is there as well. $90 is very easy to make. Whether you have, obviously if you have a $100 account, it's not going to be achievable because you're not going to make 100% on your account in 1 month. It's very unrealistic. But if you're looking to the long term, and obviously if you're trying to gain consistency in trading, then yeah, $90 is very achievable. That's my plan for myself and Hassi. We say all the time, like, yeah, great people making thousands of dollars a day and all that, but the goal is just to make sure that you can pay for your membership and stay in, right? Once you do that, then you start to accumulate and start paying for other bills. Once you make $90, then maybe down the road, after a few months, you start to make $200-$300, right? And then that pays for your gas or whatever, So that's kind of how it is. No worries, fake bro. No worries. So purple's entrance. Well, not on LGVN, no, but yeah, purple line's just the resistance here. So if it breaks above that, high probability to go up. But this is in a bullish chart pattern. You expect price to break out of it, which is a channel down pattern. So you expect price to go up like that. But yeah, we'll see what happens on it. LGM reactive, yeah, you're right, Paul, bro. Can you take a look at kits? I know you're ready to do it. Yeah. There's nothing on kit. I think 375 or something if I have good memory. How good is my memory? Let's see. Yeah, 375. So look. This one, yes. Okay, look, we are start to identify now in the 4 hour. Look at all the green candles here, right? In the last, what's this, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 32. So like, right, we can see here from this, what is this, on the 25th? Okay, so obviously last week, but you can see all the green candles. What does this mean? Just logically thinking, right? You don't need to know anything about indicators, nothing. Green is what? Buyers are in control, right? So what do you notice? Buyers are in control in this. Look. We have a lot of price action proving that buyers are pushing the price up. A lot of green. There's only one red, right? So that obviously indicates in what? In an uptrend. So let's just use this for instance. You can see it's an uptrend, right? But every time it gets to 375, what is happening, right? Everyone can see it gets here, rejection, and then here, rejection, right? So here, it might go down when it gets to 375. So what I always say is, if it closes above 375, there is a high probability now, right, that it will push to probably around these levels here, right, these wicks. So for me personally, you could try and enter, maybe look for 5% or whatever, where that is like 365 or something, but safe entries are above 375. That's all I would say. I don't know anything about the technicals, nothing, so I can't really help you out on that. Oh, I mean fundamental, sorry. NLSB needs 0.3220 break above. What do you average on your full account each day? I aim for 1% on my account a day. So if I have $10, or let's say $1,000 in my account, right? I aim for 1%. Whether I have $1,000 in my account, 100,000, a million, 10 million, 200, it doesn't matter how much I have, right? I aim for 1% on my account. So that is a realistic approach for every single trader that joins in Discord, and I tell them, because it's complete BS to make 20, 30, 40, 50% on your account a day. If you can do 50% on your account a day, right? You work it out weekly, that's 200% you're making on your account a week, right? And then you're making 800% a month. That is very unrealistic targets. It's extremely unachievable, right? And no one is going to be able to do that. If someone can do that consistently, they are pretty much the richest person in the world. So if you hear people making 50% on their account a day, it's a load of bullshit. I'm giving you the truth because I know, right? A realistic target to aim for, and I tell people in the Discord, is just 1% on your account a day. 1% on your account a day, 5% a week, 20% a month. So if you work it out, if you have $1,000 in your account, right? By the end of the month, if you gain consistent profitability, right? Then $1,000, 20% of that is $2,000. So that's very achievable. Everything's relative to everyone's account size, but if you can consistently make 1% on your account a day, you're doing extremely well as a trader. You can pretty much quit your job and trade. Have you thought about, yeah, I would like to do mentorship. Like I would like to teach people like one-on-one, traders who are very serious about doing trading, but I don't really know how much to charge and those kind of things. So I haven't really looked too much into it, but yes, I would, down the line, I would like to do like one-on-one, like, I don't know, mentorship kind of thing. I think it'll be cool. It would be cool because a lot of people have asked me for it, but I just, I run a Discord, myself and Hassie together. We have a lot of members and that's kind of my priority right now. But yeah, focusing on one person at a time is also something I would look forward to do that. This should break out, but we do have view up in the way. Yeah, this looks good. I like this setup though. YIBO looks good. Yeah, I like this. Looks nice. Maybe there. Thanks. CMAX analysis. CMAX. Let me have a look. CMAX is currently bearish on the 1 hour. We have a downtrend, so if it breaks above the downtrend, you could look for your entries on that. That's what I would do. Ebo, Hollow's here. I mean, Hollow's in a bullish pennant, but I don't know what will happen. We'll have to wait and see. I don't like the stock because it never really holds its gains. It's also 50 cents, but it should break out according to technicals, put it that way. WINT, no, this thing got rocked. I saw it went down. It's down 27%. So if stock's down 27%, just leave it alone, to be honest. Just draw the trend line now. Yeah. Right now, for me, there's no reason to be entering it, unfortunately. For LiPo, 123 break with entry, double top 1 minute. Antar, I don't use the 1 minute. It's not enough confirmation for me, so I just focus on the 5 minute. But if you like the 1 minute, sure. Yeah, LiPo, it's making high highs and high lows. Look, guys, this is a very simple chart. Look, there. Now it's broken the high, come down here, and now gone up. See? So there's the 130. Someone asked me about it. I don't know if they are still in it, but congrats if you are, because there's your 130. 130, 130, 130. Damn. Congrats on that. Congrats. I'm not in LiPo, no. I'm not in it. When I do this, I'm not in any trades. I don't trade. I'm not trading. Can't find a breaker. Thoughts on max position size? Okay, here. This is what I teach people in the Discord, right? And I tell them. You should not be, right? There, Ricky's given it as well. Yeah, they are bearish. The best thing to do is, guys, you should never, ever be full porting a play. Meaning, if you have $1,000, you should not be going with $1,000 in your account, okay? What I do is, right, whether I have $100,000 in my account or $10,000 or 1,500, it doesn't matter. My account size percentage stays the same. I do not trade or enter a trade with more than 25% of my account in a trade. So if I have $1,000 in my account, okay, $1,000, 25% of that is what? $250. So that means the max I'm trading with per trade is $250 in my for my trade, right? I'm not going with 50%, I'm not going with 100%. I stick to maximum 25%. Obviously, if the market's not good, I will go in with less size. Maybe I'll only trade with 15% or 10%, right? You've got to just think about it logically. If the market's shit, why are you going to keep trading with the normal size and trades won't normally work out? So think about it logically. Step away, understand the market's not good. So what do? Trade with less size, your losses will be less. That's it. That is what I do. Pre-market, I have a 7% stop loss because I only trade with 10% of my account, and intraday, I have a 3% stop loss. Intraday, I have a 3% stop loss with 25% of my account, and pre-market, I have a 7% stop loss with 10% of my account. So if I have $1,000 in pre-market, I go in with $100 and my stop loss is 7%. So if I lose in pre-market, all I lose is $7 out of my $1,000 account. That is how I do it. DNA got potential, but this isn't the best risk management strategy. There's so many ways you can, it's what works best for you as a trader, right? There's no best time frame to trade, no best chart pattern, no best indicator, right? It's all up to the actual trader, what they like to use. Some members in Discord use MACD, RSI, all that stuff with my setups, right? Some of them use other things, right? There's loads of things that they use. Like I have a 3% stop loss. Some people have a 5% stop loss on my trades. Some people have a 10% target. I only have a 5% target, you know? You just got to adjust it accordingly to how you trade, right? We just give the guideline there and what works for us and what has given us profitability, right, over the years. And then from there, you can develop. Some people don't like trading in a falling wedge. Some people use a demand zone. Some people don't like demand zones, so they'll use a bullish pennant, right? Things like that. So there's no best time frame. Everyone has different emotions. You trade your personalities, right? What works best. DNA looks good. Yeah, it's very bullish. You have room all the way to 416, sorry. DNA has room to 0.4160. It's up 2%, but yeah, very nice. Very steady chart. You should, yeah, I know. I should look into it. I will. I need to just work around it and see how I would do it exactly because I'm not really too sure. I'm not too sure on how to go about it. I'll have to wait and see. Trey, I don't know if in your bro, but is it working? It should work. Usually it was me and yes in it. Nice. What's going with LGVN? LGVN is rejecting VWAP. VWAP is this line here. It's the only indicator I use, to be honest. No problem. NLSP. Yep. So NLSP looks good. Should be in this trade. Should continue up and get 5%. So if you enter now, you're looking for 5%. So here, around here, 0.36 is your target. That's what you can aim for, right? High probability you'll go up there, then somewhere else, then below, right? And LSP looks good for entries. Right, how's this one? Yeah, LiPo is fantastic. Congratulations, bro. He's got to buy all money. He's got a big account. That's why you're. To be honest, bro, I don't have a big account. I don't trade with a lot of money in my account because I don't need to. I just grow small accounts. They're over 25,000 because I don't have like a, there's no cash accounts in Dubai. Well, there is, but not for the broker I use. So all I do is I simply just grow accounts over like 20, 30,000 and then take money out for my expenses and just grow those accounts kind of thing. That's how I do it. But yeah, you don't need to have a large account, to be honest. Thanks for checking, no problem. NNE. Is anyone in that play? In LiPo? NNE is still bearish, but it's trying to break this downtrend right now, actually. It's gonna be close. So NNE is trying to break this downtrend. NNE trying to break downtrend. If you're in it, you're in it. If you're not, then you're not. I wouldn't be entering now. Although I see a falling wedge setups usually are working, they seem to never work for me, so I stopped following them. Yeah, Adam, I mean, that's the thing. Like, also, Adam, I don't know if you're in the Discord, but if you are having issues with it, you must just share the chart, because the most important thing is, right, I noticed that people are sharing in the Discord, like they're saying that it's a falling wedge when it's actually a bullish pennant, and they're not really drawing the chart correctly, or they're just drawing a pennant in general, right, which is technically incorrect. So if you are in the Discord, please share your chart so I can help you. But yeah, there is obviously something that is going wrong when you do the falling wedge, because it is my highest probability setup, and it's probably the most profitable one as well. SGMO still bullish? Well, not really, no, not for me. You need to break above $1 for 114. I personally don't like to trade a stock that's close to $1 like this. Close above, then maybe, yeah. LPA, nothing on this. This is a terrible chart. Yeah, nothing on LPA. So LPA is currently bearish. LPA. VRAX. Let me check VRAX out. Well done on NLSP. Someone just messaged me. Well done, guys. Free money for everyone, by the way. It's that easy. I gave it to you guys very long time ago. Congratulations. And that's as easy as it comes. Literally as easy as it comes. I don't know what else to do than tell you this thing's gone up 15% since I mentioned. If you're not in, I don't know why. If you're in, congratulations. SGMO, YBO. Yeah, this looks good. I like it. It looks good. Just needs VWAP. With RGM 446, is it too optimistic? Exit4. David, the best thing to do is just aim for a realistic target. I aim for 5% during pre-market. Sure. Course you do, brother. Course you do. No, this is W. This is the wrong stock. WLDS. Someone just asked me about this. At the moment, it's not looking great, to be honest. For me, nothing on this. Downtrend break needed. So WLDS needs downtrend break. You'll see most times I say that, downtrend break, downtrend break, downtrend break. If new traders focus just as much time the first 6 months learning how to manage, do profitable, they will. Yeah, exactly. Like I tell everyone who trades, and especially people in the Discord who are struggling, I said, are you really trying? Oh shit, it's not working. But everyone can be a trader. I can guarantee you, everyone can become a trader. If you try hard enough and stay disciplined, you can become a trader. 99% of people fail because and cannot become a trader because they have their ego and they cannot accept a little loss. Tell people in the Discord, I get annoyed at them when they don't accept that they can lose 5% maximum on their account. On a trade. They cannot take the loss. And that is the biggest issue, is taking the loss and moving on. Who cares? Take your loss and move on. Nvidia. Nvidia is currently bearish. I would take puts if it comes to this line, I'll tell you that much. Look at this, like this, check. So here, just go like this, here to here to here. Come down, and here, and all the way down. That's my Nvidia. VRPX. People are still looking at this plate. VRPX, very low volume. At the moment, trend line has broken, so now it's bullish. It was bullish, now it's bearish. Maybe in this demand zone here. Just use this demand zone. Demands. Like up the stream, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We have only... How many likes we got in here? We need at least 100 likes. Also, go and watch the YouTube video. Hassie's posted it. Can you guys go and please like it up and also watch it if you can once you get some free time. Here, this is the new video. Here. Share. Episode 14 is out. Here. Watch that. Go and like it up, please, please, please. VRPX in demand zone. VRPX in demand zone. LPA, let me have a look. No, LPA needs downtrend break. Nothing unless downtrend break. Downtrend break. Do you suggest beginners to stay away from shorting at first? I don't short, bro. I would just trade common shares. That's it. Just only buy. No shorting, none of that stuff. Just focus on common shares. That's all. SLNA. SLNA is down 20%. Leave it. So DNA, I go for it. Target is Hamad. Listen here, brother. Hamad, listen, please. What you do is, if you want to enter now, okay? I'm not entering. I'm not interested in this play. But if you want to enter the trade, think about this. What is your goal? How much do you want to make? What is your percentage? Where is your stop loss? You need to have these things in mind before just getting in because I say so, right? That is not a good enough reason. You won't understand. You won't learn that way. So enter the trade, whatever you decide to do. Have a percentage, have maybe a 5% stop loss, 5% first target. Aim for that, right? Try that. So you decide what you want to do. Yes, there is a higher probability it should go up, but what can happen? It can also come down. So you need to have a stop loss, all right? Yes, you do expect the stock to keep going up. Why? Because it's in an uptrend, right? Is it wise to move stop loss break even when a stock is clearly above your entry price? Or should mean pre-market you cannot have a stop loss. So pre-market's a lot different to how I trade intraday. Intraday, if I enter a trade and I have my maximum 3% stop loss, if I enter the trade, hits my first target, I'll move my stop loss to around my entry. If it goes down, I get stopped out the remaining 50%, right? I sell at least 50% at my first target. LiPo going crazy? Yeah, it's the only one right now. 150 hits. That's a huge psychological level. Let's see what next levels there are. We have, is this 150 here? It is 150 here. Just marking some new levels. Right. Alright. These are them. These are your next levels. These are not targets. You do not hold for these levels. Understand that. Give likes. Easy. Clicking to 100. Let's go. We're on 52 likes. Halfway there. Come on. Can you check Doug? Doug has low volume. But yes, it broke out at this level. I remember someone asked me about it. Your next resistance is $2 basically. 201 here. So if it breaks above now, look, if this stock breaks above 180, then it should continue to go up. Right? So Doug here. Doug needs 180 break for continuation to the upside. Continuation to the upside. AZTR. There's nothing. AZTR is down bad. Nothing on AZTR. Look, AZTR downtrend. No bueno. Not good. All right, so nothing on this. We have to just chill. Happy. All right. What else is moving? Yeah, LiPo's insane. Wow. I literally mentioned this was your entry point here. Can you believe it? It's up 100% basically. Wow, congrats for those who are in. Lipo. Anyone still in this play? Must be rich if you are. Congrats. Pretty much 100%. GG's. Tiger Live getting a lot more views. Used to be only a few days, no. And some days no likes at all. Used to be only a few. Yeah, I mean, when the market's hot, people obviously trade. When the market's shit, no one likes to like go on Finto or anything. It's just how it is. When the market's good, it's great. But obviously when the market's not, people just kind of give up. LiPo double top at 150. Yeah, possibly. It needs to wick above to continue up, but it's forming a resistance here. It's a huge level. 58 cents. Wow, congrats. 130. Nice, 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 nice. Well done, well done, well done, well done. Great profits. Great profits, everyone. BMR, there is nothing on this until $6. Only up 8%. I'm going to delete it. Not interested. Let me have a look, see what else is moving. Nothing really moving at the moment. Why? Yeah, this one's okay. It's not really my cup of tea until $5 personally. SGMO, I'm not interested in this one. NLSPs retesting this resistance level like this. So broke above, retesting. Now we push. Let's see. This is my prediction on NLSP. NLSP prediction. We'll see what happens. It needs to, is there VWAP here? Yeah, it's right on VWAP. It needs to hold this level for next level up. And I done with all my shares at 140. Nice, well done, Jose, bro. Got in Lipo 70 cents. Damn, hope you guys are taking profits. Should be out majority of your position. BFI, I'm not too interested on this. I only got these sub $1 for Hassie. I know he likes to play them. Hollow, not interested to be honest. TIVC, maybe volume coming in. Krev and SOUN. I like this chart a lot. SOUN's nice. Should continue up. Looking for 575 next. Hopefully it goes. CGTX had the news, guys. It was the same placebo results. Pretty much nothing. Please just avoid this play. Just avoid it. The news came out. It's whatever. Yes, maybe it'll run up later, but you don't want to be playing a stock right now. It's down 8%. Just leave it. Leave it, leave it, leave it. ESLA. Low volume on this play. I'm not really a fan of ESLA. If you're trying to look for entries, buy on this trend line maybe. But yeah. Or just wait for this break above resistance like here. 225. 2.25. So 2.25 is where you can look for entries on this play. But yeah, we'll see. It'll only continue if it breaks 225, right? Let me see. Let me go through top gainers and then I'm going to head into Discord, do some live trading. All right, so we have LiPo. This is probably the highest probability setup that will run today. Doesn't mean buy it. Doesn't mean get in. Doesn't mean full port the play right now. It is just the most likely play to keep going up. But we will have to wait for open to see if we can get any entries. LGVN's looking good as long as it breaks above VWAP. That is the main issue right now. Breaks above VWAP, it should continue to go up. YIBO, it's okay, it's okay. I'm just going to use a downtrend. I don't really like this falling wedge too much. So we'll see what happens here. We have a demand zone. If we're looking left, here is a last red candle for the move. So we have to see what this does do, right? So we have demand zone like this, demand zone. So let's see if it holds this demand zone like that. So this is your current setup on Weibo, current setup. So it needs to hold this demand zone, it's open. That is ideally what you want. NLSP looks great. I like this as long as it holds VWAP. It should continue to push up. If you want to take entries, you're more than welcome to. BFI, I'm not interested in this. Like I said, this is more for Hassie. 0.53 is your entry. TIVC, not really anything. Let me see what else. I think this is pretty much it, guys. Pretty much Monday morning slow. It will be as usual. Hi, first time I catch a streaming. Do you short small caps? Hi there, cats. Welcome. No, I do not short. I only buy. I trade common shares. That's it. I do not short. No, no, no. No, no, no. LiPo is right here. Bullish pennant on the 1 minute, maybe. Yes. Yeah, 1 minute, yes. But for me, I don't trade on the 1 minute chart. I don't like to use it too much. But yeah. You have this chart right here. This is your bullish pennant right now. All right, so I like to use the 5 minute. It gives me more confirmation. Right now we can see 150 is at psychological level, right? We have 140 as the resistance around here. 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections, big rejection of this level, right? So that is what's happening with that. So nothing unless 150 breaks. Torque, let me have a look. No volume on torque, nothing on this. All right, guys, I'm going to head into the Discord. This is the Discord link here. No WhatsApp, Telegram, BS stuff. This is it, right? I know there's a lot of spammers and scammers or whatever underneath my posts and when you guys respond to me, but I've reached out to Twitter. They're not doing anything about it. They're absolutely useless. It's kind of annoying because, yeah, it's sad to see people fall for that shit, but yeah, come on, guys. I'm not going to message you and sound like a robot, all right? All right, thank you, cats. Cool. CLDI, let me have a look. CLDI is right here. 218 break can be your entry. Break above 218 can be your entry. So CLDI, 218 break equals entries. All right, guys, I will see you all in the Discord. CLDI. Yeah, members, I'll see you guys in Discord. Live trading link will be sent out, all that stuff. I know I need to call Elon, my fellow countryman. All right, I will see you guys in Discord. Have a great day, guys. Twitter, thanks again for all the support. I appreciate it. As long as you continue to interact with me and stuff, you know, I'll continue to do the same and give back where I can, right? But yes, live chat link will be sent out in 20 minutes. Guys, I'll see you there. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.